Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to see you here, and today I will start with just $500 on my deposit, and we're going to use two indicators at once. Well, it might sound a bit difficult for you, but don't worry, I will show you my strategy today so you can also use my strategy and practice it on your own trading. So if you want to support my channel, I will be really happy if you put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. And of course, I have a closed community of traders where I'm sharing trading signals for free. If you want to get into this group, then text me a code word signal on my Telegram account. I left the link to my Telegram in the description box, so check it out over there and join us. So guys, let's start it. So guys, today we're going to trade using Parabolic SAR and awesome oscillator indicator. Parabolic SAR indicator will tell us pivot points, and awesome oscillator indicator will tell us which volumes prevail in the market to increase or decrease. So guys, these indicators are already connected to me, and now I'll remind you what is the signal to open a deal. The Parabolic SAR indicator represents points at the top and bottom of our chart, and the signal of this indicator is the moment when, for example, green dots begin to appear on top of our chart. This situation tells us that the downward movement is expected, and in such a situation we could open a deal for going down. Also, when the points begin to approach directly to the candles themselves, this situation tells us that the points will soon begin to appear from below our chart, which in turn also tells us that an upward movement is expected. Here we could definitely open a deal for going up. At the bottom we have an indicator awesome oscillator. It consists of horizontal line marked 0 as well as green and red histogram. And for example, when we see the red histogram is beginning to form, this situation tells us that volumes are growing downwards. This means that in the near future the price will move down. Also, when green histogram is formed, this situation tells us the volumes are growing for increase. And accordingly, in such situation, the price will move up in time. Also, do not forget that these indicators are just an auxiliary tool of technical analysis. Therefore, first of all, we pay attention to the support and resistance levels, and only then we take into account the hints of these indicators. Only a competent combination of indicators and technical analysis together will give us a great result. And also, I want to warn you right away that indicators obviously have errors. For example, during pullbacks or when the price moves in the pro-trading zones. Therefore, before opening a deal, we always assess the overall situation in the market. So probably today we will find different kinds of situations. So please watch this video till the end, and you will see how to work with these indicators at once. So guys, let's get started and find the first situation in the market. Here we see that there was a good confident downtrend. There is also support level at the bottom. Let's open a deal for 1 minute to go down. We just see that at the moment after the rollback, the price is already starting to break through this level. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down and this level will be broken. Because the price has next potential for a decline, indicator also confirmed our entry point. Several green dots have already appeared above the chart and a red histogram is being formed. This means that the volumes are growing downwards. In the near future, the price will move down. So friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, as you can see, this level was really broken and we made a profit. This indicator gave us a good entry point. The price really continued to move down. Not a bad start. Let's continue and find another situation on the market. We have a level of support down here. We also see that after a certain pro-trading zone, the price has reached our level and is already starting to go beyond it. Let's open a deal for 1 minute to go down. The price has an excellent potential to go down. I think that this level will also be broken. We also see that green dots are already beginning to form above the graph, and in the same way a red histogram is formed down, which means that in the near future the price will move down. So guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, well, this level has indeed been broken. We get a great confident profit. This situation works fine. Let's continue and find the next entry point. I rewound the chart to the left about 2 hours ago and set the level for the lower values of these candles. This is the lowest point for a given period of time, and we are interested in this level as the price approached it from top to bottom. Then we return to the beginning. And here we also see that there is a downtrend and the price is approaching our level. We also see that green dots are forming above the graph. A red histogram is also formed. At the same time, there are several green bars and this roared during the rollback. In this situation, we open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. It is more likely that the downtrend will continue to move directly to the support level, since the price here also has a good potential for going down. I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough for us, even taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback up. Just at the moment you can see that there is a slight pullback up, a green histogram is also being formed, and a couple of dots have already appeared. This situation can also be counted as an error because the general price movement is going down. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Isn't it great, guys? As you can see, the price really continued to move down to the support level after the pullback and we made a profit. Also, after touching the support level, there was a logical pullback up, and now you know what is error and in which situations it happens. So guys, let's continue and consider another situation on the market. Here we have a resistance level. You also see that after touching the level there was a pullback down, and now the price has turned around and is approaching our level again. So the overall potential of the price goes up. The main price lows are getting higher. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to go up. For sure, after a pullback down in the near future, the price will continue to move to the level. We also see that our indicators confirm our entry point. Also, at the same time, the volumes for increase grow and green histogram is formed. I think that in this situation, 2 minutes will be quite enough for us, even taking into account possible pro trade. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's not bad, guys. The price really continued to move up and we made a profit. Also, after touching the level, there was a logical rollback down. At the moment, there is a certain compression of our level. I think that in the near future, it is quite possible that this level will be broken, because we see that green dots continue to form at the bottom of our graph. Also, after the rollback, a green histogram begins to form again, which means that the price is more likely to continue moving up in the near future. So we will open a deal with you again for 2 minutes to go up. I think that this time will be quite enough and the level will still be broken. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. That's great, guys. The price really continued to move up and this level was broken and we made a profit. The price has an excellent potential to increase, and let's continue considering another situation on the market. Here at the bottom we have a support level. We also see that at the moment there is a good confident downward movement. The price is approaching this level. The price has an excellent potential for a decline. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also quite possible that it will be breached. The indicator also confirms our entry point, the red histogram is formed and green dots are also formed above our graph. I think that 2 minutes here will be quite enough, and even take into account a possible pro trade or a small pullback down, since after a confident impulse approach to the level, a small pullback is possible. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Excellent, guys. After a slight pullback up, the downward movement continued and we are making profit. The price has an excellent potential for going down and the indicators also gave us a good entry point. So guys, let's continue. Winding the chart to the left about 2 hours ago, I also set the level for the lower values of these candles. This is the lowest point for a given period of time. We are interested in this level because the price is approaching it from top to bottom. Then we return to the beginning. Here we also see that there is a good confident downward movement and there is still space to reach to the support level. Here post open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards this level because the price has a good potential for going down. A red histogram is also formed and green dots are formed above our graph, and this means that volumes are growing for a decrease. In the near future the price will move down. So guys, let's wait for the result. That's quite good, and there was a slight upward pullback, but after the downward movement it still continued and we are making profit. Also, during the rollback, a green histogram was formed and dots appeared at the bottom of our chart. Also, this situation can be counted as an error since the overall potential of the price is still going down, and in this situation we managed to work on this movement, on the approach of the price to the level. Everything is going great, guys. Let's continue and consider the following market situation. Here we have a level of support. We also see that at the moment the price is quite confidently approaching our level. Let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future the price will move down since the main price highs are getting lower. The price has an excellent potential for a decline. Green dots are also forming and a red histogram is forming, which means that in the near future the price will move down. It is more likely that this level will be broken, so guys, let's wait for the result. Alright, what do you think about this? The price really broke through this level, we made a profit, the indicators again suggested a good entry point for us. This situation works perfectly. I already have $11,000 on deposit. I propose to open another last deal for today, and now I will find some situation and we will continue. Here we have a resistance level on the top, and we also see that after the pullback the price has reached our level and is already starting to go beyond it. Let's open a deal for 2 minutes to increase. I think that this level will be broken in the near future because the price has an excellent potential to increase. Also, the main price lows are getting higher. Also, green dots begin to form under the chart. A green histogram is also formed, which means that volumes are growing for increase. And in the near future the price will move up, and I think that 2 minutes will be quite enough even taking into account possible pro trade. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, as you can see, this level has really been broken through and we are getting a gorgeous confident profit. 2 minutes in this situation was enough for us. The indicators also gave us a good entry point. The volumes for increase really started to grow and the price continued its steady upward movement. I already have $14,000 on deposit today and I think I will end here. I just fix my profit and leave the market. So with the right approach this strategy works really well. This is the end of our trading. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Trading is all about practice. There are never mistakes, only experience, which actually will help you to level up your trading skills. With the right approach, this strategy works well, and now you know how to use 2 indicators at once. What you can do is try to turn on these indicators and try to find similar situations I had today. Yeah, that's pretty much just practice, try as much as possible, and I'm sure you will get the result. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to put big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new tutorials. And of course guys, if you're still not into my closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free for you traders who really are passionate about trading, then yeah, just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. I left the link in the description box and I will add you to this group. So guys, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.